Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and we are at a highly undisclosed location, secret parking garage with our G63, but we are heading off to meet Luke with his Barnee, his purple Aventador SV from some of our previous videos. Let's hop on board and go meet him. So we got the brand new 2022 GT3. I've never seen one of those in Calgary, but typical Vancouver. We're probably gonna see like 10 of them this weekend.
Hey,
it's my buddy Mo.
I'm just filming here, don't mind me.
I was like, man, you gotta film the Aventador.
Those colors look good together though.
Man, they look sick as
in the puffy coat, that's
okay.
These Huracans.
Sick.
You know the red Evo Huracans for sale August right now?
Yeah, just sold, yeah.
Yeah,
Sick.
that was his old car.
Okay, sick. And then you have Aventador SV time.
I'm gonna pick up my girlfriend.
But we're stopping.
Alright, Chalk GT3, Barnee, Huracan, modified 360. So sick. We're gonna go for a little cruise here. Oh, Barnee. And now the matching purple Urus. Holy shit. Thing is so sick. Wow. Sorry. Aventador I had last fall.
I already did see like two. I think the guy that worst likes to go to.
Oh yeah.
They cannot stop me now, they cannot stop me now, no. Man, I done seen it all, I ain't never going back, no. Miss me with all the drama, just leave me alone, yeah. I've been working too hard, I'm about to set the tone, yeah. I'm about to take this throne, yeah. Yeah, I just been in my zone, yeah. Ain't slept in 2 days, I'm heading home, yeah. Oh, if you really knew, yeah. You ain't gon' get it if you don't get it. I've never been lazy, that's why I'm winning. I'm tryna keep you in your feelings. And yeah, I made it through the trenches, so everything I get is too expensive. It's only one life, you gotta live it. Burning rubber on the pavement, they think that I'm going crazy. I know what I'm tryna say to you. I'm not just here to be number 2.
Alright, gas station takeover. We got Barnee, Barnee 2, the Urus. The super sick Chalk GT3. Oh, this thing's crazy. So sick. And this modded Ferrari 360. So cool. And let's not forget, we're filling up the G63 that Mohammed is following us in. So hopefully he's getting some cool rolling shots when he can. But we're a little faster than the G. And how much you guys think it's gonna be to fill this thing up? I'm gonna guess at least $200, but we'll update you in just a moment. And it wasn't far off. Total $168.11. Yes, receipt please. All right, we're at Kate's Park. Look at this view. The Huracan, the Urus, Barnee 2, Barnee 1, the GT3, and this cool modified 360. And look at this view. Look at that sunset. Wow. So incredible.
But for video.
That thing is a literal spaceship at night. Absolutely unreal car. Unreal how that thing sounds. Just to add to the mini of tonight. Doors go up. Sick. Hair to my ears. Mo and the G63. We're gonna watch these guys roll out. At the Ferrari 360. See ya. See ya. Peace out. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video cruising with Luke and these guys tonight. I'm off to bed with Mo. Well, not with Mo, but back to the condo with Mo and off to bed. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Got my Uber, Mo.
Yeah.
Let's go to the condo.